In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Python in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Python and we'll be having the official link python.org. Click it and here we'll be having the downloads option. Select this and here we are having the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.14.2. In case if you want to download the older version of Python, just scroll down and here, as you can see, looking for a specific release, we are having all the previous versions over here. So you can just click it and try downloading it, okay, from here. So in case if you're looking for the old ones. So in my case, I just want to go with the default one. So just click on here. That's it. The setup file will be getting downloaded. Just 28 MB in size. So once that is done, just open it. And here we need to choose these two checkboxes, okay? Check this, and make sure that you are clicking this install now. I got setup was successful. I'll just click on close. And now I'll just go to search, type command prompt, and just run the command python space -- version and hit enter. And as you can see, I've got Python 3.14.2. If I just type Python, we'll be getting the Python shell over here. You can like quickly run any Python commands. In case if you want to run a full-fledged program, just go to search and type idle. We'll be having this idle Python. Select this and we'll be getting this Python shell here also. So here also same thing, we can run Python commands, but rather than here, just click on file and select new file. So this will open as a new file like this. Here we can run any Python code. For example, let me go with the print statement like this and let me save it. Just give a random name or something, save and run module. And as you can see, I've got the output over here. If you don't want to use this one, you can try downloading Visual Studio Code and use it along with Python. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.